Hello everyone and welcome to your 9th Adobe Photoshop tutorial, setting the preferences. In this tutorial, we will set up our software so that we can start working into it more efficiently. In order to set preferences, we can go into the menu bar, click on Edit, Preferences, then General. Now over here, let's leave the top 3 things as they are as default. Going down to the options, there are few things that we want to check out. Switching them on or off depends on how your work style is. If you like to select the zoom tool and then zoom by clicking, then you can leave this as it is. Or if you want easy access to zoom in and out by the mouse scroll wheel, which is very convenient, you can come here and select this option, zoom with scroll wheel, and also zoom clicked point to center. By zoom click point to center, it means that if you click and zoom anywhere, then the point where you clicked on will come to the center of your screen. So it will be zoomed by keeping the click point at the center. Let's go down. The second is the interface. Now in interface, you can change your standard screen mode, that is this background color, from gray to black or any other color that you want. So we'll just leave it at gray. We can change the boundary settings of the image by line or drop shadow. And you can change the UI text options by you can change the language of the software. But first you need to install new languages in order to change them. You can change the font size as you like. Going on to the next option, that is the file handling. You can change the number of files the recent file lists contains. From here, recent file list contains 10 files. Basically 10 works good for all situations. Just make sure maximize PSD and PSB file compatibility is set to ask. By PSD and PSB are the Photoshop document and Photoshop big file. Going on to the next option, that is the performance. In the performance, make sure that the scratch disk that is selected has enough free space for the software. You can select also the multiple disks, but let's just select the highest space available. Here I have 470 GB. You can select the amount of RAM this is using. For me it is set to 8.5 GB RAM. If you want, you can change this setting and give more RAM available to Photoshop. If you have a graphics card, remember to enable OpenGL drawing. Going on to the next is the cursors. You can select what type of cursor you want. Let's leave it at normal brush tip and press OK. Alright guys, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.